I was worried about how I was going to start this video. Yeah, no, I wanted to talk to you about something. Give me a moment while this loads. I want to talk to you about modular arithmetic, especially the clock, because you probably take the clock for granted. I'm talking about the 12-hour clock, not the 24-hour clock. I have my AI here to make sure I'm right, because AI is never wrong. It's a little fun fact for you. I recommend you read Iceberg Slim. Iceberg Slim Pimp. The story of my life. Real G's, such as myself, have read this book. I won't read it to you now because it's gross. And plus, we need to go over modular arithmetic. Once more, you have your set, which is 1 to 12, inclusive. Your operation, which is adding hours that wrap around the clock. 9 plus 4 is equal to 1, because 9 plus 4 is equal to 13, which is 1 on the 24-hour clock, communicated back into the 12-hour clock, or I guess transposed. That's probably still not the right word. I don't care. We're going over this right now. I can't finish this. 10 plus 3 is equal to 1. 12 plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. I did write this short story about how the Amish and Old Order Mennonite communities would make excellent hitmen. But I've decided it's not very important. I'm going to talk about what I was originally going to talk about. Here's why you should study abstract algebra. Because it's not just the clock that uses abstract algebra. It's not just the nerds. I'm not even a nerd, actually. If I'm being frank with you, I'm actually a little bit of a dumbass. And by little, I mean a lot. Abstract algebra is helpful, not because it's gonna make you seem smart. It's because you use it all the time for everything. You use it when you're playing video games. For example, let me just write everything I hate about you real quick. It's gonna take me a while. Here, look. You might be asking, why did I write x plus y does not equal y plus x? Because in math, it's like, well, 1 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 1. But that's the thing about abstract algebra, is we're trying to build a system. We're trying to build a system that understands something. And so it has to be based off of consistent logic, but it doesn't necessarily have to be based on the... Someone's making so much noise downstairs. So it can't be inconsistent. It has to be logical, and so it has to be based on logic. This can hold. This can be true. We just have to define the axioms, which are essentially like the not the, I guess, yeah, it would be like the laws of this system. And the logic has to be sound and it must be consistent. So, why this is fun, and you might say, okay, well, this is silly, this is nonsense. But with your video game controller, let's say you're playing a game with combos. Let's say that pressing X, Y, or A, B, or whatever the case is, let's say it's going X, then Y. So X plus Y gives you some sort of combo, like a kick combo. And then going Y plus X gives you like a punch combo. It's the same two things. It's the same two elements. You've just gone in one case X plus Y, and in the other case you've went Y plus X. It's a system. It's built on logic. It's consistent. Every time you go X plus Y, it's going to give you the kick move, and every time you go Y plus X, it's going to give you the punch move. It's based off of logic. So learning abstract algebra is very important. It's not important so then you can be doing integral. Okay? That's also fun, but, or super confusing, at least the way I find it. Doing or learning abstract algebra, at least as far as I believe, will help you with your problem solving skills and your overall understanding of stuff. Just stuff. It's fun. I recommend book 2.6. Those who know. This is a those who know moment. You download it and it's just called book 2.6 because that's just the version. That's the version of it. Book 2.6. I was right. It's Algebra, Abstract and Concrete by Frederick M. Goodman, edition 2.6. It's free. You can download it. You can make a little donation if you want. It's beautiful. It's very helpful. It's concise. It has examples. It explains things very well. And I still find it confusing because I'm not very, I don't want to say I'm not very bright because that's not very becoming on YouTube. But I will say that you don't have to be anything special to like pick up this book and start reading it.